Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I will not drive a car, but I received a special gift from Greece, and this is from my friend Yanis. He is from Athens. He owns also the Civic Type R, and he said to me, I will send you something, and today it's here and I will make an unboxing video for you. I have no idea what is inside. The only I know is that it's something for car detailing. So let's see. Don't need this. So let's see what we have here. Oh, what's this? One, two, this is empty, but I think you can put something here inside. Very nice. Burst. We'll do this later. So let's see what is here. What is this? Orange Made shampoo, Bad Boy series, interior dressing. This is amazing. Alcadara cleaning, parfumed. This is what I need, because when you drive the Honda Civic Type R, the new, as of the 2020 Type Rs, they have Alcadara steering wheel, and it gets very fast dirty when you drive without shoes, yeah? Wheel cleaner cleaning. This is also from the wheels. Amazing stuff. Thank you, my friend Yanis. So then next video is until Yanis will come here, he will visit me, I think 25 February, and then we will clean my car together. So now I want to say thank you, and again, thank you very much, Yanis.